flash flood emergency for Roanoke and Salem. The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a flash flood warning for Roanoke County. This includes the cities of Roanoke and Salem until 7:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:35 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing extreme rain in the Roanoke-Salem area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Up to 7 inches of rain are expected in the next hour. This is a flash flood emergency for Roanoke and Salem. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Hazard: life-threatening flooding. Source: automated rain gauges. Impact: if you do not evacuate, you will be putting your life in danger. Flood height expected between 2 and 6 inches. Repeat: a flash flood warning has been issued until 7:15 a.m. for the following county: Roanoke, Virginia,